Handwriting is so hard for first graders. Some of it just has to do with being able to hold a pencil right, knowing which way the letters go, and it takes a lot of practice. It's really hard. Um, the problem with handwriting too for teachers is that we don't have a lot of time to work on handwriting when we have so many other things that we need to be teaching. So this is one of those things that I might be sending home with you in the near future as homework. Handwriting just takes practice. That's all it does. It takes lots of practice. Lowercase letters seem to be harder for first graders than it is capital letters. So we're going to really focus on lowercase letters. I'll send this to you, but this is a really nice way of explaining how the letters go. So as you can see on letter A, that it says pull back, around, up, and down. Those are the words that I say to help kids remember how to write the letters. If you can use these at home to help your kids with handwriting, it'll really help them kind of solidify which way they start, and how their letters end. This is another thing that we work on in class, but I'd love for you to do this at home. We talk about letters that are made in similar ways, and this really helps kids to solidify the way the letters are made, and it also makes it more efficient when they write. So for instance, we've really worked on using this pull back and around for these letters. All these letters are made in similar ways. So for C, we pull back and around. For O, we pull back and around and up. A is pull back and around, up and down. D is pull back and around, up and down, but I say go all the way up to the ceiling and down. G is pull back and around, up and down in the basement and make a hook. And then Q. And for Q, pull back and around, up and down, and make a hook the other way, down in the basement. I kind of talk about the letters as there is letters in the upstairs, letters in the downstairs, and letters in the basement. So we talk about our letters as being up, or upstairs, downstairs, and the basement. So right now we're working on these letters in class, but we won't be able to spend a lot of time on handwriting, so this is something you could work on at home that would really help kids with their writing.